Video is one of the most powerful marketing and communications tools and is widely used by businesses all over the world. Each organization uses various types of video marketing programs as a part of their video marketing campaign. Video marketing campaign helps businesses to increase their reach as it enables more people to understand and know about your brand, products and services. The more the customers learn about your products and services, the more likely they are to make a purchase decision. Including video content in your marketing campaign is one of the best ways to connect with customers. Most people want to see more videos from brands before purchasing certain products or services. Videos are also helpful to increase brand awareness, which leads to an exponential increase in sales. Tips to add videos to the marketing strategy of your business. Following are few tips on how to incorporate video content and use them to promote your brand. Merge videos with your email marketing. Videos are the best way to get your point across to the customers. They evoke a sense of interest within the audience. Therefore, considering and including videos in email marketing campaign helps companies emphasize key points and reach customers with tutorials and helpful guidelines. Subscribers tend to appreciate user-friendly content and get inspired by your videos, which ultimately leads them to click through and visit your website to make the purchase of the products or services that interest them. Email marketing is undoubtedly significant, but adding videos to them provides an added advantage to your marketing strategy. Add social media feed to your website. One of the best ways to make your video marketing campaign interesting is to show the video content from your social media pages on the business website. It is easy to include videos from social media to the sidebar of your website according to the platform you choose. The audience tends to be more interested and are more likely to click on the social media feed included on your website and scroll through, which increases the dwell time. There are high chances of a person to continue engaging with your site. However, various tools help you customize how your posts appear on your website to make it more appealing to visitors. Businesses need to ensure that they add the most valuable and exciting content on the website to increase website traffic and sales. Host live events. Another exciting way to grow your business with a video marketing strategy is to host live events. These events can be hosted from the plenty of video styles available in the market, depending on your brand and industry size. The perfect places to host your video events include social media platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Twitter. These live videos can include product showcase, live webinars, product tutorials, Ask Me Anything, AMA, brand updates, casual freestyle conversation with viewers and audience. Conducting these events helps businesses attract new customers and increase their brand followers. The more events you conduct, the more rapport you build with customers. Always encourage user-generated content. As the name suggests, user-generated content includes video content and posts generated by your audience. However, adding this content to your website helps strengthen your brand's connection with customers, and user-generated content helps bridge the gap between business owners and potential customers. Therefore, it is crucial for businesses to include a way through which customers can connect with you and reach your business. Always ask users to post videos when using your products and get a chance to win a reward or prize. This is a great way to increase engagement with the audience. User-generated content also acts as social proof and motivates more customers to make a purchase from your brand. Businesses need to think of new and creative ways to engage customers and include interesting video content in their video marketing campaign to be successful in their marketing approach. Conclusion. Video marketing strategy is an excellent tool of marketing for businesses. It provides the marketing team with freedom and flexibility and generates creative video content to capture the interest of the target audience and increase their brand identity and brand awareness. Therefore, businesses need to find innovative ways to add video content to their marketing campaigns to increase audience engagement and make them aware of the brand, products and services. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.